Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leboo Msweni and this is the vlog to my blog. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for landing on my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the fam, of course. And to my loyal subscribers, thank you for coming back and I hope you will enjoy today's video. So today I'm going to show you how I slay my afro. So these are the tools I'll be using: a rat tail comb, as well as my afro comb, the toothbrush aka edge brush, bottle spray, and as well as my edge control. So basically today I'm just gonna show you how I rock my afro on stretched hair, because I had previously washed my hair during the week, and yeah, I just decided that I'm gonna wear my hair stretched out. So I just did individual braids. I'm a Phondo and just let it air dry and stretch out, of course. And because I wasn't gonna do anything in between those days, yeah, I just chilled with my Phondos. That's why I had my Aunt Jackie's duck on, just to, you know, hide the state of my hair. But I'm gonna be smashing in a few minutes. Oh guys, and please don't mind my nails. I know they're hideous. Yes, I know. Guys don't need to tell me. I do owe myself a really nice manicure, honestly. So what I'm basically doing now is just undoing these braids, and then I'm gonna show you how I comb my hair. Oh yeah, and the bottle spray, ne? As you can see, I haven't used it and I won't use it. What I did is that I actually sprayed my hair prior to shooting this video. What I do is that when I am gonna wear my hair out, I always spray my hair in the morning, so my hair is able to soak up all of that moisture, so that by the time I undo my braids, it will have at least absorbed and it won't be as dry as it would be if I hadn't. And also why I like doing it early in the morning is that it gives my hair ample chance to, you know, absorb, so that when I do stretch it out and comb it out, my hair doesn't shrink as fast. Because if I'd sprayed my hair now, my afro was gonna shrink in no less than 5 minutes, literally. So as you can see, I'm combing out my hair, but what I do is that I comb out the ends first. And this is something that I mentioned in my spring day wash day routine. You guys can go back to that video and just see how I basically detangle and comb my hair before, during, and after wash day. My wash day routine, I mean. Now I am basically almost done and just combing my hair out so I can hide the lines from the braids that I did, because you can literally see the lines here. But y'all, when you comb it out proper and nicely, yes, those lines will disappear. It's not something you should worry about. Well, you know me, I love smoothing my edges out, so you can actually tell that I combed my hair. Not only that, my edges are very kinky and they coil up so quickly that I don't want to have the uncombed look literally on the edge of my hairline. So yeah, you know me, I use my edge controller Isoplus as well as my toothbrush, my edge brush, and I literally do this now right around front, sides and back. Anglali guys. So this is practically the final touch ups, just making sure that my fro is combed nicely. As you can see, I'm smoothing out the edges at the back as well, so it's not a half done job guys. No, must be proper. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is basically how I rock my afro. A very easy 15-minute hairstyle. Hope this will encourage you to rock yours. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button and subscribe button if you haven't. Anyway guys, let me love you and leave you. Bye.